Good morning. Could this be any prettier? I'm just outside Yellowstone National Park, hiking around, looking for moose and bears. Something has tromped up through here. I'm gonna follow its tracks. This thing is huge. I try to pose on it. Oh no, it's way too rotted out. I'd probably kill myself. Me and my dad came up this road yesterday. We did the whole loop up Lulu Pass and back down around Daisy Pass. It was a gorgeous drive, but those roads are getting bad, let me tell you. Just over here are 3 bucks. Oh, and a moose, 2 moose. Oh baby. All right, I just found the moose. They're on the other side of this ridge, so I'm gonna put my drone away, get my real camera out and my tripod, and we'll try to get some shots of them. See how quickly I can get this drone packed away though. Well, there goes the controller. You just gotta have a sixth sense for where the moose are like I've got. I just think if I was a moose, where would I go? I'd go right over that ridge over there. Time for little Stumpy to do his job. Let's go film some moose. Now there's not a lot of forest and trees for me to hide behind. I'm just kind of out here in the open, so I don't want to get too close. I can't even see him, this tripod's so tiny. All right, we're just getting his antlers over the bushes. It's not a good shot at all, but he's eating some grass now. That means he's comfortable, but he's coming up this way. I'm gonna try to go up above them because that mountain over there is really pretty. I can get that as the backdrop. Oh, he's coming right towards me. Getting sweaty now, I don't need this hat. It was freezing this morning. It was like 34 degrees when we left the cabin. He was looking at me. The big boy was looking at me. Can see why they like this area though. Look at this water and stuff. The shot I'm getting right now is just his antlers. Oh, there is a second bull moose that I didn't see right there. I'm even closer to him. Oh my gosh. And there's 2 moose down there I just spotted. Holy crap. So that's moose number 2 down in that area. I'll get the one that's just standing in the road. That looks kind of cool. Moose crossing. Lovely. All right, I'm gonna go for this moose right here. That's called moose in the grass number 2. I wonder how I can get better shots of these moose. They're all just kind of like in the flowers, but I can't quite get a full body shot. I'm just kind of PO'd, you know? Look at this cool burned out tree. I've lost sight. Oh, the big bull has moved. This tripod is just my little hike around tripod. It's not my real filming tripod, so It's just for emergencies like this when I want to go for a hike and then I see some animals. Look at this. This is my big tripod, but it is a pain in the butt to take with you. Anyway, back to the moose. All right, I've moved back into the sun. Because I had a shot and now I don't. There goes another moose. 2 more moose. Just as they're growing behind that tree. Boy, I gotta be careful that none come up from like over here or something. And I'm being devoured by mosquitoes. Oh, Omo. Oh, boo, boo, boo. Big boy looked like he was coming right for me. I'm so low. We're not getting a good shot. Too many flowers in the way. And big boy's coming up the hill, so let's try to be ready. Oh, he's moving fast now. I'm gonna miss him. It's the best shot we've got of him all day. There you are, you're right in my face. If I could get all 3 of these guys in the same shot. Well, there's all 3, but not good. Maybe I should just zoom in on big boy. They are getting close to me. I want to move away. Wow, the pollen on these flowers is insane. I don't know if you can see this, but it looks like I spilled Cheetos all over my pants. That's from the pollen from the flowers that I was walking through. Can you guys see the moose? Oh, look at that shot. Need to get him in those flowers. Perfect. I hate not having a viewfinder though. I can never tell like what I'm actually filming. The lighting, the flowers, the environment, the moose himself. I don't think it gets better, does it? Well, I've earned my breakfast this morning. Uh-oh, they're running. Don't know why. Something spooked them. That was a magnificent shot. Whew. Let's see if we can get him over here, silhouetted. So cool. She's like, wait for me, guys. That was amazing. Oh, and they're still in range. I can still get shots of them. This is too cool. There they go. Again. Well, stop recording. Well, how awesome was that? I was not expecting to see any moose, let alone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 moose. And we've still got the whole day ahead of us. What time is it? 7:30. All that before 7:30 in the morning. Well, we made it back to the car, so thanks for joining me once again on these early morning hikes. Shout out to my senior squad, my elder Gen Xers, my stray random occasional millennial, and shout out to Gen Z, even though none of you are watching this video. Maybe I'll go watch Oklahoma. I need to hear that "Oh, what a beautiful morning" song. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day.